Hey friends, it's Matt from Cornelius Creations. I just wanted to give you a quick update on my iPhone here on something I've been working on, and to let you guys know about a video I'm fixing to put up here shortly. Now here is a penguin that I have been carving, and I'm pretty excited because this is my first 3D carving. And when I say 3D, I meant like you can see right here how the belly bevels over and the toes bevel over. Now this is far from perfect right here, but I just wanted to show you guys this. This will actually be in an upcoming tutorial on how to stencil images. So it's kind of like a second video to my how to stencil letters. So here is my little stencil right here. And I kind of steered away from the original design on this. I've added a little bit more to it. It's far from perfect. This is my first time, like I said, actually 3D carving something. So anyway, guys, be watching out for that. And I just wanted to show you this quick update. Wish me luck on this because I have a long ways to go on it. I have been sanding like crazy here. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you this. I hope you have a great day, and be sure to subscribe because this will be on a tutorial on how to stencil this. So I will see you guys soon. Take care.